Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Live Krish University. I'm your host Rajan Singh Chauhan, and today we will learn about how to describe yourself in French. And at the end of this video, I will give you some free giveaways and one surprise that will shock you literally. Yes, literally it will shock you. But I will only give to those people who stays in this video till the end. So keep watching. So let's start the lesson. Okay, so now we are on the screen. So in this video, we'll learn about how to describe yourself in French. Se présenter en français. Se présenter en français means to describe yourself in French. So let's start. So by the end of this lesson, you will learn how to introduce yourself in French. You will learn to use phrases like je m'appelle, to use my name is, to describe your name, and j'ai on. This between j'ai and on, you have to put your age number. Okay, so this phrase is used to describe about your age. For example, j'ai 28 ans means I am 28 years old. So you will also learn basic vocabulary, familiarize yourself with keywords and phrases like profession, nationality, and where you live. You'll also be able to construct simple sentences, combine the vocabulary and phrases to form meaningful sentences about yourself. Practice conversational French. You'll gain confidence in introducing yourself in real life situations. So, some key vocabulary, essential words and phrases. The first is to say about your name. For name, in French, the word is nom. Nom. For example, je m'appelle, then you have to put your name. For example, je m'appelle Rajan. So, je m'appelle Rajan means my name is Rajan. Second, to say about your age. So, for age, the word in French is âge. Âge. For example, j'ai on, and in between these two words you have to put your age number. So for example, j'ai 28 ans means I am 28 years old. Third, for profession, in French there's a same word but the pronunciation is different. It's profession. Profession. For example, je suis homme d'affaires. You have to put je suis, then your profession. So, for example, je suis homme d'affaires. I am businessman. Or if you are a student, you can put je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiant means I am student. So, to use this phrase, you have to put your profession before je suis. Okay, so for nationality, in French the word is nationalité. Nationalité. For example, je suis, then your nationality. For example, I am Indian, so I would say je suis indien. Je suis indien means I am Indian. And if you want to say where you live, so lieu de résidence. The word is lieu de résidence. For example, j'habite à, then your city. You have to put, if someone asks where you live, then you have to tell j'habite à, then your city. For example, j'habite à Kota means I live in Kota. Okay, so these are some key vocabulary. So now we'll learn how to form basic sentences about yourself. So first is to say your name. The structure is je m'appelle, then your name. You have to say je m'appelle, then your name. And its literally meaning is I call myself. Je m'appelle literally means I call myself. There is a reflexive verb, so it means I call myself. Then you have to put your name after that phrase. So je m'appelle Rajan means I am, yeah, my name is Rajan. Second, to say your age, the structure is j'ai, then the number of your age, then on. For example, j'ai in this sentence, example is j'ai 25 ans. So this means I am 25 years old, or my age is, or I am 25 years old. Okay. Third is to describe your profession. So the structure is je suis, then your profession. So you have to put profession and after this phrase je suis. So for example, je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiant means I am student. The fourth is to state your nationality. So the structure is je suis, then you have to put your nationality. For example, je suis française. Je suis française means I am French, or je suis indien. Je suis indien means I am Indian. The last is to mention where you live. So the structure is j'habite à, then the city that you live in. So for example, j'habite à Paris. J'habite à Paris means I live in Paris. So these are some basic sentences about yourself you have to form in this structure only. So that's all for this lesson. So if you want live training with professional French teachers, you can contact us on this WhatsApp number 95300988858, or you can visit our website livreriche.com. And let me tell you about some services that we provide. I promised you in the beginning that I will give you some surprise. Whoever watched this video till the end, you can go in the link in the description below. You will find my ebook on French foundation, and also I want to tell you about our services that we have started a subscription service where you will be added in our premium community if you enroll or subscribe at our website. It is just 99 rupees per month, where you will get DELF A1 level lessons, and you will also get audio and video lectures recorded, or you will also get so many ebooks and so much study material related to French DELF A1 level. So don't wait for this opportunity. Just link is in the description below of our website. Just go to our website and sign up at just 99 rupees per month. You will be in our premium WhatsApp community group, where we share educational content related to French language learning regularly. And also, apart from this, we also provide DELF A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 exam preparation courses, and we also provide TEF exam preparation. And if you want one-to-one live classes, we can also provide. If you want budget classes like group or batch classes, you can also join in that type of classes. And we also have one more thing: we have Indian tutors, and also we have French native speaking tutor also from Burkina Faso. So you will get the best value from our services. So don't wait to join our online learning community. I'll wait for your response. Thank you so much. Au revoir.